garage floor tiles to make the garage both practical and beautiful. So now let's invite Vivi to introduce more details to you.
Step 1. Marry the pallet size and give us final drawing size of your garage. Step 2. Tell me the model of floor tiles you like and choose the color you want, and also tell me the design the drawing painters. We will supply the free customized drawing for you. Step 3.
Design the floor plan for your garage according to your pallet size. Step 4. Display the garage design to you.
Step 5. Calculate the floor tiles quantity of your pallet size. Please remember to leave some extra floor tiles for spare parts. Thanks a lot for your watching our garage makeover series. Hope you can create a unique and practical garage space.
If you have any questions about the floor tiles, please feel free to contact us.
Solutions. Find the Vivi and Kiki.